to another video.
To another video.
On this occasion, I have the whole gang with me. Because we're going to carve a pumpkin for the first time.
High five.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I got this.
Yeah.
She's excited. I got this little carving kit from Target. Yeah, Target. And it has the templates back there, but we're gonna just freestyle, right?
Correct.
You've done this before, huh?
A few times.
This is my first time. And I got this little lights out of the Dollar Tree to put inside, because you know we're gonna gut it, and that sounds raunchy, but we're gonna gut it and yeah, decorate it.
Yep.
And bake the pumpkin seeds.
Yes, we are.
Here we are. Why don't we show them the one you made? Grace painted this one. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Who did this?
It's a big pumpkin.
Can I see that pumpkin, Grace?
Yeah.
So you
Look at that.
so you go at an angle, right?
Okay.
That will be the reason why you'll find out in a moment, but you gotta cut in a circle.
Oh gosh.
Right? So with this part, give me the big blade.
What's up? That's much, but
Give me the big blade.
big blade. What's the big blade?
The big.
Oh.
Put your knife. I swear she cooks for me dinner, but you think she wouldn't know her way around the kitchen. Now look.
Look, Grace.
All right. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna cut that right off and make this flat, because this is now your cover for the pumpkin.
Well, how are you gonna put the candle? You're gonna stick your hand in for the candle?
Yeah.
I love when somebody answers their own question.
That makes sense.
We have a lucky scoop, but in the past he's used anything from your hand to whatever. So this goes.
Just stick your hand in there.
Oh yeah. Get all the seeds.
Okay, we're gonna scrape the insides and we're gonna come back when it's time to decorate it, because this is not fun.
See they scrape it all?
Yeah. Come on,
Scrape.
help mommy.
Mommy. There's a window. You did it right.
Oh, Jesus.
Thank you.
The fun part's gonna be separating all the seeds from that.
And who's gonna do that?
Yeah.
You don't. Thought you wanted to carve a pumpkin.
No, thank you.
So we make a face with a marker. Right?
No, wait. Pick a good side.
This is Nina.
That's
That's the biggest.
Okay.
You think the anatomy of a pumpkin? It's round. Okay.
Well, you know some
I
sides.
got the good side. Okay. All right. We're cutting out one of the eyeballs. Yeah, girl. Yeah.
Yay!
Yay! All right. Daddy's gonna do this side. We got an eyeball.
Rainbow.
So we got one eyeball. Okay.
And you press it and make
The best.
the first hole, basically. And then you go with this, right?
Correct. Follow the line. Grace, I appreciate your help. Okay. So you don't want to. Okay. All right. Hey, listen, Jeffrey Dahmer. Okay. Jeez. I'm gonna start calling you Dexter. That's my wife's new name, Dexter. Everybody who follows this channel, hashtag Dexter.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Taste it.
Alright. So now, you're gonna do the mouth,
She's like, what the heck did you just do to me?
right? Alright, so now we're gonna do the mouth. I did mine with teeth. I'm just outlining it. I'm gonna cut it right out. Super simple. Again, this is a very traditional way to carve a pumpkin.
What are you doing?
I'm worried.
Oh yeah? And why are you doing that?
I'm worried at the cheese.
Okay. And now what?
I'm worried at cheese.
That's cheese? I thought it was a pumpkin. Is that a pumpkin or a cheese?
Or cheese.
Oh,
Mm.
okay. Makes sense. I am going going to paint this one like a Frida.
Okay.
Put some flowers on it.
Okay.
All the flowers that I got.
Don't cry for me, Argentina.
This.
Oh, that's not Frida.
That's not Frida. Frida doesn't sing uncultured. See what I'm talking about? Marry a gringo, they say. It'll be fun, they said. Like this, and then I'm gonna paint eyes on her and stuff. It'll be so pretty. What do you think? It'll match the one Grace made.
Adios, Morte.
Hmm?
Adios, Morte.
You're lucky I love you. You're lucky you're handsome. Where's the nose?
I haven't carved the nose yet.
Why the mouth is so small? It's like
Move. Move.
look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
You'll see why. Move. Okay.
Can you see it?
Now watch. Hey, see a little glow.
Turn the lights back on.
I can make it bigger. Let me do it.
That's what she said. You are the one not making it symmetrical. You're giving him a curve. What the heck? You can never be a plastic surgeon.
Is that better for you?
No, it's horrible. Let me do it.
It's horrible.
Poor eyes. He looks sad.
He doesn't look sad. He's a scary pumpkin.
He looks nothing like scary pumpkins.
He doesn't look scary.
Pumpkin.
No, he looks like he has diarrhea. He looks constipated. He looks constipated. Right, let me help him. The mouth is decent.
The mouth is good. Leave the mouth alone. Don't mess up the teeth.
Oh, pero we can do something like this.
I'll fix the mouth.
Shoot, 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 shoot.
The mouth is mine. I don't like you.
Why?
Fake love.
The one you give to me?
Is that better with the teeth?
The teeth are fine. Why are the teeth are curved now?
They're mossy teeth.
Have you seen a monster with curved teeth? What the hell?
That's good. Because then the glow will come right through it.
I'll say if it's okay. I'll inspection.
Go ahead, inspect it.
Let's go.
Inspection, not correction.
Look, can we make it wider?
No. It's not the Joker. Just keep like the way it is. We're done.
Ruining my mojo.
Benito.
Alrighty, so that was it for our pumpkin carving. We almost got a divorce. But we did it.
I don't know about divorce, but I think somebody was about to get cut.
And it wasn't me. Our daughter has gone with the wolves. I don't know where she's over there. So yeah, I think this is it for my first pumpkin carving experience.
If it's your first, why would you quotation?
Because it wasn't even mine. You did it all. It was your pumpkin.
Why I had to guide you to the road to success.
To make the teeth curve? Do you think that was a good choice?
Yeah. And tomorrow we're gonna do the pumpkin seeds.
You're gonna do the pumpkin seeds.
I will.
So if you like this video, if you like our crazy mess of a family that we are,
Hashtag Dexter.
Shut up. Make sure to be subscribed to my channel. Make sure to like this video and make sure to follow me on Instagram and follow this one on Instagram. Alrighty, that was it for this video. You want to say something? You said bye-bye? You did pumpkins?
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.